The mother of a 14-year-old girl who says her daughter was raped on a date she made with a 19-year-old man on MySpace is suing the popular social networking site for $30 million. She claims they failed to protect minors from sexual predators. Joining me to discuss the case is the attorney for the young girl, Adam Loewy. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks, Chris.
What is it that you would have MySpace do?
We simply want MySpace to implement meaningful security measures on the website because they have full knowledge that there are adult sexual predators contacting young children on the website. And they have been repeatedly warned by state attorney generals throughout the country, including here in the state of Texas from State Attorney General Greg Abbott, that they need to implement meaningful security measures.
Well, the argument could be made that there are sexual predators, unfortunately, not just on MySpace, but throughout the web. And let me read to you what MySpace said. They said, "No one is more committed to internet safety than MySpace. We take aggressive measures to protect our members. Ultimately, internet safety is a shared responsibility. We encourage everyone on the internet to engage in smart web practices and have open family dialogue about how to apply offline lessons in an online world." A 14-year-old girl going to meet someone she met online, where's the parental responsibility here?
Well, when MySpace comes out and states that no one is more committed to internet safety than them, if this matter wasn't so serious, that statement would, quite frankly, be comical. They are simply not doing enough to implement meaningful security measures to prevent adult males from contacting young children online. So we believe that since they have full notice that these things are occurring, they owe, as a legal duty, to the children on the website to implement meaningful security measures.
Well, even if that's the case, even if what you're saying is true, let me go back to my question, which is I think a lot of people from a common sense point of view will say, where was this girl's parents in all of this? Why is she going and meeting somebody she met online?
Well, the girl's parents are wonderful people. They're extremely committed. But quite frankly, parents cannot watch their children 24 hours a day. And this incident occurred extremely fast. It was very quick. And the fact is that when MySpace is putting itself out there and stating that children who are 13, 14, and 15 cannot be contacted by adults, when in reality they can, we are arguing in this lawsuit that MySpace is acting negligently and is acting fraudulently.
Well, if this is the case, again, some people might argue maybe parents should keep their kids off of this site, but what I've read says that they would like more verification that the people who are online are how old they say they are, that there are certain background measures that are taken. But can't all of that be overcome as well? I mean, anyone, frankly, could go online and say or use documentation that's not real to say there's someone they're not. Happens all the time, whether it's in the online world or in the real world.
Well, Chris, the fact is this. They can do and implement more meaningful security measures, but they are simply not doing so. They have been warned formally by several state attorney generals and countless local officials, such as prosecutors, to clean up their act and implement meaningful security measures. And we believe that they have a duty to do so. So when you suggest that these security measures can be worked around, we would disagree with that. The security measures on websites can protect children if they are in place. But quite frankly, MySpace simply does not have these security measures in place, and whatever measures they have are not working.
Adam Loewy, attorney in this multi-million-dollar MySpace suit. I think we're going to be hearing a lot about this. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks, Chris.